We all know that e-commerce is booming right now, and it's one of these industries that all signs point to it's just going to keep continuing to grow for years and years to come. So if you're looking at starting an e-commerce store to either have a nice side hustle or even to replace your 9-to-5 job, this is the perfect time to get started. One thing that tends to hold people back though is not knowing exactly how to start, or not even knowing all the different pieces that are needed to have a successful e-commerce store. Sure, you can do a search and find a lot of great blog articles on the internet, or you can look through YouTube and find a lot of really good YouTube videos that talk about e-commerce and getting started. The problem is these pieces of information don't have everything that you need to go from A to Z to have a successful e-commerce store. This may even be you. You may have spent a lot of time looking at different YouTube videos like this one here, or looking at different blog articles, taking notes, and trying to put all the pieces together yourself. And the problem is by doing that, it's kind of like going to the university to get a degree and not having a curriculum to follow and not having professors to teach you exactly what you need to do step by step in order to get that degree. So when you're doing all this research by yourself online, think of it as going into a big library and just finding books on the subjects that can teach you different pieces to the puzzle, but they can't fill in all the gaps of what you need to put together the entire curriculum to start a successful e-commerce store. So if this sounds like you, then the Kibo system might be the perfect solution for you to finally put all those different pieces together and actually have an e-commerce store that you've always dreamed about. So you might be wondering, what is Kibo? Now, Kibo is a system that's been around since 2015 and is actually based on a principle of a Japanese store that was really successful. Now, there was a couple of entrepreneurs named Steve Clayton and Aiden Booth who went to the store and they saw how this process worked that this Japanese store was following, and it was really different than a lot of different stores that existed. So they documented this process and they tested it online to see if everything that worked in the real world would work online as well. So this ended up being very successful for them, and it ended up being very successful for a lot of their students as well. So now you might be thinking, well, Kibo just sounds like another e-commerce course, and I've done that before, but I haven't had any success with those, so what makes Kibo different? Well, the thing that makes Kibo different is, yes, it is a course, but it also includes live training. It's actually an 8-week program where they take you through the process, they take new students through the process of starting their e-commerce store and getting it up and running in the right way, so that way it can be profitable. Now, the other thing that makes Kibo different is they've developed a lot of systems over the years to help their students do things like product research, so they can start out by selling products that actually sell on their store versus doing a lot of spaghetti testing and a lot of things with trial and error to see what products could sell or not. They've developed a system that's pretty much foolproof to be able to identify what products will sell and how to swap those products out quickly if the products end up not selling with another product that's been proven. This system can be a big shortcut for you as long as you follow the system as they describe it. Now, while no one is guaranteed results with anything in life, this program has been proven over and over and over by their students to be successful as long as you apply the principles that they teach in their program. Now, I can go through all the testimonials and all the different things that they have available, but it's better for you to listen to it yourself instead of coming from me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a link in the description below where you can go check out this program. This is one of those things that's been around for a little while, and every year the program continues to get better and better and better. So be sure to check out the link in the description below for more information on that. Also, as I'm filming this video, the program is open right now. So I'm putting this video out there for those who are watching it right now. And if you go to the link and it happens to not be available, because I'm not sure when you're going to be watching this video, but if you go to the link and it's not available and they have an option to put your name on a waiting list, I would go ahead and sign up for that. So that way, when the program opens up again, you'll automatically be notified. Also, I'll have links in the description below that can help you start your e-commerce store, some resources that will be helpful to you. So be sure to come back and check those things out as well. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, I appreciate you watching it, and be sure to like the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel where I share a lot of tips around starting different business models and helping you get unstuck from where you're at right now. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.